In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the pathsum coding exercise. First, we will check if root is null, and if so, we will return false. Then we will check if target sum minus the value of root is equal to 0, and root's left child is null, and root's right child is null, and if these conditions are true, we will return true. After that, we will return a recursive call to hasPathSum, and pass in root's left child as the first argument, and target sum minus root's value as the second argument. Next, we will use the OR operator and then make a recursive call to the hasPathSum function, and pass in root's right child as the first argument, and target sum minus root's value as the second argument. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.